John.
And Chloe.
And today we're going to be doing the Bean Boozled Challenge, and I'm really scared.
So here
we have the Bean Boozled Challenge. It comes
and
with
we
the
did this later.
And we have a bowl.
It's purple.
And we're going to do the Bean Boozled Challenge. So let's
I'm
get started.
scared, too.
Okay, so we're going to open it up.
And it comes with a spinner.
And we're going to take the spinner out, and I will be going first. And the jelly beans just look
Or
like
you
that.
can just leave the spinner in if you want.
But it won't work. And these are what the jelly beans look like. There's flavors.
I really hope I get the blue one.
There's flavors on the spinner. Okay, so let's go. Okay. It's a little hard to spin.
So you have to do your finger like this.
If the
One
spinner
second.
fell.
Sorry. The porcelain. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me.